Hi there everyone. Today we're going to be looking at this algebra problem that involves finding the value of the ratio of two variables. And the problem goes as follows. If b does not equal 0 and the value 3a minus b over the value b equals 2 over 3, what is the value of a over b? If you want to try this out on your own, pause the video now and I'll get started in just a second. Okay, so the first thing I want to point out with this problem is that this expression that we're given, 3a minus b over b equals 2/3, is the only expression that we're given that tells us something about the value of a and b and how they relate to each other. And since we only have one equation here, we can't actually find the exact values of a and b. Because to find the value of two variables in an equation, we would need two equations. So how are we going to find a over b? How to find a over b? Some of you might have seen a problem like this before, but for those of you who haven't, it can always be helpful to start off by eliminating fractions. So let's start by eliminating fractions. So how are we going to do that? Well, in the expression 3a minus b over b, to eliminate the fraction, we would have to multiply by b. Oops, not 2 over b. 2 over 3. So if we multiply this by b, of course we have to multiply the other side by b as well. And that will eliminate this here. It could also be helpful for us to get rid of the 3 in the denominator of 2/3. So what if we multiply both sides by 3 as well? Then this 3 will be eliminated, and this 3 will be eliminated. Now let's just simplify things a little bit. Simplify. So these b's are gone. This 3 is like a coefficient around this expression, 3a minus b. So I'm just going to move the 3 over to the left-hand side. And then we have a 3a minus b here. And that is equal to 2b. 2b. And if we distribute this out, I'm going to change everything to red now. 3 times 3a is equal to 9a. And 3 times b is 3b, and it's negative. So that's minus 3b is equal to 2b. All right, and the next thing we're going to do is add 3b to both sides of the equation here to give us 9a is equal to 5b. And then divide this by 9, both sides that is, to give us a equals 5b over 9. And then if we multiply both sides of this by 1 over b, you could also think about it as dividing by b. I'm just going to do it in terms of 1 over b because it's easier to visualize how that cancels out the b in the numerator over here. Then we are going to get our final answer, which is that a over b is equal to 5/9. Hope this little tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments, and have a great day.